Hey, Wedding Crushers, this is for those in the mastermind group. This is some advanced training, some advanced Wedding Crushers training. Before we get to the advanced stuff, I always want to go over a 30-second little blip of the funnel. Like, what is our funnel? This thing here. So, really and truly, it's very, very simple. Let me zoom in. All right, this is where we start. Wedding Wire, The Knot, Google, Facebook. If you can't afford all four, you start with Facebook and Google. That goes to the home page. The prices and info page is like your call page where they schedule a call. As soon as they schedule that call, it starts sending them emails and trips. But right after they schedule the call, their actual website page goes to a thank you page where they can keep going down the rabbit trail. These email and text strips happen before the call, and when they have a call with you, you send a contract and book in 24 hours. Voila! But today, I want to talk about don't guess, split test. Don't guess, split test. And see if we can do this. This was going to be our mastermind group meeting, but nobody showed up. So I just turned it off. I don't know if maybe I didn't let you know soon enough. I usually send a text reminder. But what we're going to do is I'm just going to record it. You answer below, okay? And if you've never used, what is this? Evernote? I kind of make these I'm making it in a presentation lately. Because I make Evernote. I create my emails and everything in Evernote. So here's the deal. Don't guess, split test. So you know how we split test Facebook ads? Like you can put 6 different pictures up there and see which one people are clicking on, or 6 different headlines and see which one people are clicking on. You can do the same thing with your website. Isn't that cool? So that's what we're going to go over. Usually in the mastermind group, I like to go over a question of the day. We've gone as weird as what's your favorite superhero to, where were you born or how many states have you lived in. But today in the comments section, I just want you to introduce yourself. Say, hey, what's up? I'm Hans from Atlanta and have a DJ company. Like just a little blip of who you are and what you do. Write it in the comments below. Okay. Second, we usually go over wins. And this is the best part about having the mastermind group live, is just hearing all the wins. So if you can, please put some comments in this section below here and tell about your wins. What's going on, what's working. Are you getting bookings? Are you getting calls? What's the win for you? And it's been really cool to see all the different wins. So tell me about your wins. All right. The funnel step reminder. Guys, if you don't have this down, you don't need to go to this advanced training. Like this is the basic foundation. Get these set up. That goes to your home page. That goes to your call page, which is price and info. They set up the call, email, text. They goes to the thank you page. They call you on the phone. You book the heck out of it. Send them a contract. That's the deal. That's what works. So start there. All right. Split testing your website. This is going to be fun. What would happen if, just like your Facebook ad, you could test out different words? And there's advanced websites that do this, like ClickFunnels, but it's also $300 a month. Squarespace will do it. Squarespace will do this. So this is how you do it with Squarespace. You have your home page, and you know which one your home page is because it has the little house there. And you duplicate it. Are you sure you want to create a copy of this page? Boom. So copy of overview. So my homepage is called overview. So we can do overview. Second headline. And we could try a different headline here. All right, so let's go in the way that we want to change this. It's in the the general, and you could change the picture too. I would recommend just changing one thing at a time, just seeing which one worked. Don't change two things because then you don't know. I'm sure you're catching on. A lot of times the words up here is the most important thing to change. Like you can usually find your picture over on Facebook, the picture that wins, but these words are the words that we're going to change up. So the first time I had like, I wanted to build trust. So right here they see Super Bowl. They're like, holy cow, this guy DJ'd the Super Bowl. And they're like, now is the time to secure Atlanta's top rated DJ for your event. So let me come up with something else right here and then we'll test it out. I changed the headline a little bit. That's all I changed on my page. Didn't change anything else. So this is what I'm checking now is the home page. I'm going to see of the two home pages, which one works the best. All right, if you go into our ad set manager in Facebook, here's an ad I'm running I called Initiate Checkout. And this is to Engaged Atlanta. And the results over, 13 days? 38 landing page views in this little thing. And 18 of them set up calls. So there, this shows you website content views. So it says 42 people saw the content. That's so weird, but 38 saw the landing page. So that's the number I'm going to go with. 38 landing page, 18 reviews. So this ad set has 5 ads in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this twice. And I'm going to run the ads, one to the home page and one to the new home page. Is that making sense? Starting to get exciting? So run them for a few days, and then I will, honest to God, be able to see which home page is the winner instead of just guessing on your words. Isn't that exciting, guys? Like using actual math instead of a guessing game. That's what pumps me up about this. So what you do, save it in the draft. So we're going to call this one original website, original homepage. All right. We're not going to change anything yet. We'll change it in a second. And this one will be homepage second. I think that's what I call it. Now with the original, we're not changing the landing page. So we're going to leave this exactly the same. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 5, or I only have 2 of them on. I'm going to go ahead and cut all 5 on. It gives the algorithm a chance for it to do its magic. All right. And the other one, I'm going to go in homepage second, click on the little blue thing, and I'm going to change the link. And so here's how you find the link. So overview second headline, it says that my link is overview-2, right? So what I like to do to make sure I don't type it in incorrectly is go up here, niceentertainment.com/overview2. Click on that, copy, and we are going to paste this into the link to each one of these. So just go down through here, paste, paste, paste. Then we're going to flip these on. All right, guys, I just realized that I'm running Google Ads and the Knot and everything else to this homepage, so it's not going to be even. So what I'm going to do is duplicate this original again and just leave it the same and use that one. So this is overview first headline, right? So that way, we can go in here to this URL and change up the first one. Does that make sense? So I'm going back to the ad sets, and let's go look at the original homepage, and let's change the links for that. So this is going to be a true test. The only thing going to either page is Facebook ads. All right, so I pasted those in. Let's preview this URL to make sure this is the first one. All right, looks like that. And the second ad set, let's go in and preview. And it has a different, oh, wait a second, didn't have a different one. So is this the second? No, it's still the original. Let's go back to the second homepage second. Okay, overview 2. All right. So this one says voted 1 to watch by Jezebel Magazine. And this is my old school. Are you looking for a fun interactive DJ? So let's turn these ads on. This is the exciting part. And let them run. Let's see what happens, okay? We can actually, we'll turn this one off for now. Review and publish these two. Always, when you publish your ads, go back to the campaign level and make sure that everything is good to go. Make sure there's no like pending ads or anything, or pending, like you want them to be active. So let's go in here. Let's look and see. Right now, already 1 was approved here, 4 was approved here. So we'll check out in a couple days and see what's going on. But just as a reminder, here's the big picture. This is what we're looking at. So Facebook Ads Original is going to the Squarespace homepage original. Then there's a second group of Facebook ads that are going to, not the original, but the second homepage, right? And then both of these are going to the prices and info, which will trigger Facebook and show initiate checkout. So what we're wanting to see in a couple days is how many people clicked on this and saw this homepage and went to the next page, and how many people clicked on this, saw this homepage, and went to the next page. And whoever has the best ratio of website views to initiate checkout, that is the winner. I told you guys this is advanced, but this is really, really cool stuff because it takes the guesswork out. And if you don't have your original funnel set up, you know, if you don't have this, if you don't have it going homepage like it is in the course, then don't mess with this. But if you do, this is going to take your business to the next level because you're going to be able to see what homepage will work. And of course, once you get that figured out and you get that dialed in, you can do the same for the prices and info. It gets really, really exciting. There's no limit on how far down the rabbit hole you can go with this split testing. All right, guys, until next time, keep crushing those weddings. All right, before I go, I just realized you gotta love the fact that I'm using myself as a guinea pig here. But everybody from Google and The Knot and Wedding Wire that comes here and clicks on this, they are going to trigger the initiate checkout. So again, hope you watched the whole video before you start doing everything. We need to create a second prices and info page, and then create a new standard pixel besides initiate checkout. So let's go in here. And by the way, I want you to check something out. This is the traffic that came to my website, and I had Google Ads turned off right here, and I just flipped Google Ads back on. Look at the difference of traffic. Look at this traffic. Like, let me go back. How far back can I go? Custom. Well, it didn't let me go back further than that. Oh well. All available days. Okay, so that's just all the days. But yeah, it was cut on before, and then my credit card was wrong or didn't go through or something, and so Google just shut down my ads without telling me. And so I saw it and flipped it back on, but look at the difference. I mean, that is crazy. All right, I digress. If you're not doing Google Ads, you're losing out, really. So let's create another standard install pixel. Manually install a pixel yourself. Scroll down. Boom. Use Facebook setup tool. No, what the heck is that? Manual install event codes. All right, here we are. So we're using initiate checkout right now. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to say add to cart. All right, so we're going to take this and put this on the new prices and info page, add to cart, save. But here's the deal. You've got to, page title is new prices and info, and you need this URL, niceentertainment.com/pricesinfo1, because this has the new pixel on it. Let's look up here and check our little pixel helper, add to cart. This is the only one on our whole website that has add to cart. So all these buttons on these two, look, overview 1, all the buttons need to go to this. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt, guys. I'm not going to lie. But it's going to be cool. Prices and info page. Prices info 1. Boom. Save. But you got to save all the little buttons on there too. All the buttons. All of these buttons and links and all that stuff. Boop, boop, boo. Whoa, don't delete. Edit. Prices info -1. Is that what it was? Is that all I got to do? Yeah. -1. All right, cool. You don't have to change it for both of them. Just one, and make both of the home pages go to this. But most people are going to click on this one anyway. All right. Save that. And then go to the second headline, overview, second headline, whatever you call it. I call mine random stuff. Go in here, and this is the button. And then be sure to go through all of the links. All right. There we go. So we've got this thing running to add to cart. Now we've got to go back over here, go back to our ads real quick. I mean, I know this seems like it's forever, but literally this has only been like 15 minutes. So we go back to our ads manager and we want our conversion goal. We go into initiate checkout. Our conversion goal is going to be, oops, and you change the conversion goal in the ad set. Because it was set for initiate checkout, we're going to do add to cart. Boom. And it might not have received any yet. That's okay. That's okay. And then we change the second one, conversions. Take this off. Add to cart. Boom. Review and publish. All right, so super duper complicated. Watch this video and let's see what happens in a couple days. I'm actually going to increase my budget a little bit to fast forward this thing so we can get a little more data. So check back in a couple days and see what happened. And just do it yourself. This is a test. Everything's testing. Keep crushing those weddings.